welcome back, it's Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to change the front wheel studs on your FOXBODY Mustang. It's actually quite simple to do, but I think a lot of guys overthink it and make it more complicated than what it needs to be. So I'm going to show you the easiest way of doing this without removing anything at all other than your front wheel. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's go take a look.
All right, you're going to place a lug nut on the stud to protect the threads, and with your hammer, you're going to give it a few good shots to knock it loose. You're then going to feed your new stud through and place a bunch of loose washers over top, followed by the lug nut. With your impact wrench, you're going to drive that lug nut in, and that's going to pull your stud through, and you're going to do that until the stud is bottomed out, seated on the back of the rotor. Once it's seated, you're going to reverse out that lug nut, remove your spacers, and repeat the process 4 more times. That's it.